Amazing day, everyone. Welcome to Phonics with Mrs. Abdul. Have you checked our last clip, the introduction to Phonics? Please do. Today, I'm going to talk about the 26 letters, names, and sounds. Please come with me. These are the 26 letters, names, and sounds. The first letter, letter A. A. The name A. A. And the sound A. And the next letter is letter B. 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 And the sound B. C. Name C. C. And the sound K. Soft. Letter D. Name D. Sound D. Letter E. Name E. Sound E. E. Letter F. 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 Name F. Sound. Letter G. G. Name G. Sound G. Letter H. Name H. H. Sound. Letter I. I. Name I. I. Sound E. E. Letter J. J. Name J. Sound J. Letter K. K. Name K. K. Sound hard. Remember we talked about the soft? Now this is the hard. After letter K, move to letter L. L. Name L. Sound After letter L, move to letter N. Letter N. Name N. Sound And letter N. Sound N. And the sound is After letter N, we have letter O. Letter O. Name O. And the sound is O. O. After letter O, we move to letter P. P. The name P. Sound P. P. After letter P, we move to letter Q. 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 Letter Q. Sound. After letter Q, move to letter R. R. Name R. Sound R. After letter R, move to letter S. S. Letter name S. S. And the sound is S. After letter S, move to letter T. Name T. T. And the sound is T. After letter T, move to letter U. U. Letter U. Name U. Sound up. Up. After letter U, move to letter V. V. Letter V. Name V. And the sound is V. V. And after letter V, move to letter W. 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 And W sound W. W. After W, move to letter X. Name X. X. And the sound is X. X. After letter X, move to letter Y. Y. Name Y. And the sound is y, y, y. And the last letter is letter Z. Letter Z. And the sound is Z. Z. So these are the 26 letters of the English alphabet. Thank you. See you on the next clip. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next clip.